Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all: money management. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to level up your skills, understanding the ins and outs of personal finance is key to building a secure future. In today's video, I'll be sharing 7 finance books that are absolute game changers when it comes to mastering your money. From budgeting to investing, these books cover it all in a way that's clear, practical, and easy to understand. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and unlock your full potential, stick around and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Now, let's jump right in. Starting off at number 7, Broke Millennial by Aaron Lowry. This book serves as a personal finance guide tailored for millennials, addressing topics such as budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Lowry provides relatable advice and real-life examples to help readers navigate the complexities of money management. Throughout the book, Lowry adopts a conversational tone, blending personal experiences with key financial theories and practical wisdom. She emphasizes the importance of investing early, highlighting reasons such as the power of compound interest, the impact of inflation on improperly invested funds, and the advantage of time in allowing compound interest to work effectively, especially when weathering market fluctuations in youth. Additionally, Lowry outlines crucial steps to take control of finances, including creating a budget, establishing an emergency fund, choosing the right bank, understanding and nurturing credit scores, using credit cards wisely, effectively managing debt, including student loans, deciding between buying and renting a home, and preparing for retirement. Even for millennials entirely new to investing, this book is a perfect starting point. So if you lack fundamental knowledge about investing, make it a priority to get yourself a copy of Broke Millennial. Number 6. In The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, finance is approached differently, focusing on emotional biases and the psychology behind financial decisions, rather than raw numbers. Through 19 short stories, Housel urges readers to be mindful of their motivations, emphasizing that success in managing money is heavily influenced by behavior rather than just intelligence. Personal experiences shape our perspectives on money, influencing investment choices and risk tolerance, as seen in preferences for bonds based on historical events like the Great Depression. The book challenges conventional wisdom on topics like luck versus risk, the power of compounding, and the impact of outlooks on decision-making. Housel stresses the importance of emotional control and contentment in financial success, suggesting that behavioral skills are often more valuable than traditional intelligence. Whether curious about behavioral studies, struggling with financial decisions, or aiming for financial independence, this book offers valuable insights. Number 5. The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach offers a straightforward blueprint for building wealth and attaining financial independence in a landscape dominated by quick-fix schemes and complicated investment tactics. Bach's approach hinges on making prudent financial decisions that steadily build wealth with minimal effort. He advocates for automating savings and investments, living within one's means, and opting for low-cost index funds to maximize returns and expedite wealth accumulation. Additionally, the book underscores the importance of capitalizing on employer benefits, diversifying income streams, and investing in self-improvement to boost earning potential and ensure long-term financial security. It also stresses the significance of giving back to society and recognizing personal financial achievements to foster a sense of purpose and motivation toward financial goals. While The Automatic Millionaire offers valuable insights and actionable strategies, it's important to note its limitations. Nevertheless, it remains a timeless and indispensable resource for investors at any stage of their financial journey, particularly for those just starting out. Consider acquiring a copy from your local bookstore to lay a solid foundation for your investment endeavors. Number 4. The Millionaire Next Door, authored by Thomas Stanley and William Dano, challenges common misconceptions about wealth. Contrary to popular belief, becoming a millionaire isn't necessarily about owning luxury cars, lavish homes, or designer clothing. Instead, the book sheds light on the lifestyles and habits of everyday millionaires, revealing that many of them are not extravagant spenders, but rather live modestly, prioritize savings and investments, and focus on long-term financial stability. This book goes beyond typical how-to guides, offering a comprehensive analysis based on research and data. It debunks prevalent myths about wealth, showing that true affluence often resides among ordinary, hardworking individuals. Rather than chasing a flashy image of wealth with luxury items, the key lies in prudent financial management and smart decision-making. The Millionaire Next Door emphasizes strategies for building wealth within a family context, highlighting the importance of cultivating a wealthy household and passing on financial values to the next generation. It underscores the significant role of a life partner in financial success, advocating for choosing a spouse with similar financial values to avoid conflicts and overspending. Early discussions on financial matters in relationships are encouraged. These are just a few of the valuable lessons from The Millionaire Next Door. Exploring the book is highly recommended for gaining a deeper understanding of wealth accumulation and receiving practical financial advice. Number 3. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey provides a robust blueprint for achieving financial freedom through practical strategies rooted in biblical principles. Ramsey, a well-known American radio personality and entrepreneur, shares his own journey from bankruptcy to recovery, offering valuable insights into maintaining financial prosperity. The book outlines a straightforward approach, starting with building a $1,000 emergency fund and systematically eliminating debts using the debt snowball method. As readers progress, Ramsey emphasizes the importance of expanding the emergency fund, saving for retirement, funding children's education, paying off mortgages, and accumulating wealth through savings and investments. While Ramsey's cash-centric approach simplifies finances and motivates readers towards debt-free living, his strict stance against credit and loans may not align with everyone's financial philosophy. Responsibly using credit cards and loans can offer advantages such as improving credit scores and facilitating necessary purchases without substantial savings. Number 2. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a book by Robert Kiyosaki, presents a distinct perspective on personal finance that challenges conventional notions about money and wealth. Kiyosaki utilizes the contrasting viewpoints of his two fathers to underscore the importance of financial literacy, investment in assets, and cultivating a mindset conducive to wealth creation. The book debunks the misconception that wealth is solely inherited and clarifies the difference between assets and liabilities, among other valuable insights. Kiyosaki's assertion that the rich don't work for money is often misconstrued. He explains in the first chapter that this statement does not imply the wealthy do not work. Rather, it suggests their approach to work differs. Instead of relying solely on a paycheck, they focus on making money work for them by investing in income-generating assets. Moreover, the book critiques the conventional education system, which primarily prepares individuals for employment rather than entrepreneurship or investment. Kiyosaki advocates for prioritizing continuous learning and skill development over merely working for monetary gain. He argues that investing in education and gaining valuable experience are essential for long-term success. By consistently expanding one's knowledge base, individuals can significantly increase their earning potential and create substantial opportunities for financial growth. Rich Dad, Poor Dad serves as a call to action, urging readers to adopt a proactive approach to achieving financial freedom. Number 1. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is a cornerstone of stock market investing, establishing Graham as the father of value investing. Originally rooted in business school principles, Graham adapted his insights for a wider audience of investors. The book emphasizes long-term investment strategies, focusing on wealth accumulation through stocks and other avenues. Central to The Intelligent Investor is the concept of value investing, offering practical guidance on identifying undervalued companies and avoiding herd mentality. It covers essential topics like investment strategies, safety margins, and the importance of self-awareness in decision-making. Graham also emphasizes the psychological aspect of investing, highlighting the significance of mindset and temperament. Graham categorizes investors into defensive and enterprising types, recommending most individuals adopt a defensive, passive approach. Warren Buffett, influenced by Graham's teachings, incorporated them into his own investment philosophy, leading to significant success. These finance books offer invaluable insights for both novice and seasoned investors, obtainable through various means such as online purchases, library borrowing, or audiobook listening. These finance books offer invaluable wisdom and practical strategies to transform your approach to money management. Whether you're a millennial looking to kickstart your financial journey with Broke Millennial, or seeking timeless principles of value investing from The Intelligent Investor, there's something for everyone. Remember, mastering your finances is within reach, and these books serve as powerful tools to guide you along the way. So, don't hesitate to grab a copy, dive in, and start taking control of your financial future today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching.